In today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to know in order to sell on the platform Bonanza, to get more sales, get more traffic, and to get more money. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Noah Minces, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online. So if you're interested in learning how to build a business, how to make money online, and how you can become an entrepreneur, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I come out with new videos every single day showing you how you can become an entrepreneur. Now in today's video, like I said, we're going to be going over the platform Bonanza and how you can actually start selling your own products on the website. So first things first, you're going to want to register an account. Now Bonanza is very similar to eBay, where they don't have their own products and they don't have their own fulfillment centers like Amazon, and it basically just allows you as the seller to connect with buyers and to just sell your own products. Now there are several ways to connect an account. You can log in with your Facebook, you can log in with your Google, or you can just create an Bonanza account, and I'm going to log in with Google and I'll see you guys soon. So once you log into an account and you actually create one, you're going to be taken over to this page where they're going to ask you for a bunch of your information. They're going to ask you for your postal code. They're going to ask you for your password and everything else. So you're just going to type that in and whatever works for you. And then after you fill in all of that information, it's going to take you to your dashboard and it's going to take you to the back end of Bonanza. Now, the great thing about Bonanza, like I said before, is that you can actually import from other marketplaces. So once you're in the back end, you can actually start selling. So you're going to create a Bonanza booth. A booth is actually what they call their seller platform. It's the back end where you do all of the sales and everything. So you're basically going to open your booth, and then from there, it's going to take you to the next step where you're going to be asked to just connect your PayPal and just do everything else. So once you connect your PayPal, it's going to ask you two options. You're going to either advertise my item or no need to advertise. Now, let me explain the difference. Advertise my item means that you're allowing Bonanza to advertise the item for you. So they're going to do this by promoting the item on their own website, similar to promoting an item on eBay, where they basically take a fee or a higher fee of the product price, or they're also going to promote your product on Google Shopping or other platforms, and they're just going to push your product out. Now, obviously there's a caveat, but they won't charge you if your product doesn't sell. They'll only charge you when you make a sale. So normally they have a fee of 3.5%, but let's say you want to advertise your product, then it goes up to 9, and after that, I think it goes up to 15 or 13%, and it just gradually keeps on increasing. Sometimes they even have a fee that's going to be 30%, but they are going to advertise it to a lot more people, and your product is going to be in a lot more places. So let's say that you actually just don't want to advertise and you want to keep the fee at 3.5%, then you can just click no need to advertise, but I would actually recommend that you would advertise my items. That's just what I do for my website. So you're going to continue step after you connect your PayPal, and then after that, it's going to take you to the next step. Next, you're going to have to fill in your bank information and just several other things. But once you do this, this is actually going to complete your account, and then it's going to take you to the next step where you're going to be asked to just list all of your products, or if you would like to import your products from eBay, from Amazon, or from any other marketplace that they allow. So after you create your account, it's going to basically create your booth and everything's going to be set up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the seller dashboard, and after that, it's going to basically just take you to the back end of Bonanza. And what you can do is if you click items, and then it's going to add or edit items. Underneath that, you're going to see all of the options to do batch edit. This is where you can edit a lot of listings, or you have Amazon import, eBay import, Etsy import, CSV import, Shopify import. So it basically allows you to import all of your listings from a bunch of different marketplaces. And this is exactly why I like Bonanza. Basically, you can just import from Amazon if you have any listings there. You can import from eBay, you can import from Etsy, you can import from Shopify, and it just makes it so much easier. And also Bonanza has, like I said, the advertising feature where they will advertise your products for you and you do not need to advertise. So I guess this works well in tandem with a Shopify website. So let's say you have your Shopify website and you have everything set up. You can then create the Shopify website, and on top of that, you can actually import all of your products to Bonanza, and you can have Bonanza basically advertise your products, and you will only pay for the advertising once they actually make a sale. Now, let me just go over some other things. So in Bonanza, you also have a few other options. You can do what's called, basically you can upgrade your booth. So they have different tiers for the booth, and basically you get free listings or you can get other things. I mean, here are all the options that you can see. I mean, I don't really use them because I don't need them, but I guess if you get to the point where you're selling more and you would like the booth because of the perks, then it would definitely be a good investment for your your money. So that's going to be an overview of Bonanza. It's a marketplace that I think everyone should be selling on. It's a growing marketplace. It's definitely big, and it's just something that you should definitely hop on because a lot of people don't know about it, but it's just something that it's a marketplace that can get you more sales. If you can get more people looking at your products, why would you not take advantage of it? That's just my philosophy on the topic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already doing so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.